What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. So I have a Razer laptop, for those of you know. So I actually went out and got one of this Razer laptop stand. So this one is, what's it called? The laptop stand Chroma from Razer. This one is compatible with any other laptop that's 15.6 inch and smaller. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, I just got this and let me unbox it. So there's a seal on this side and has an arrow sign. So I'm just gonna pull. Okay, so this is a unique unboxing experience, I suppose, because I don't have to cut anything, I just pull. All right, so voila. So there's a thing here. Let's take this off. Oh, this looks nice. Has the Razer logo, 3 USB port on the back, Chroma LED lighting in the front, and here is a USB port. All right, let's see what else inside the box. All right, for gamers by gamers. Here you go. This is the instruction manual, I suppose. I'll just slide it out. Okay, so yeah, system requirement, just a manual instruction. Anyway, so they even provide you with some stickers. That's cool. All right, anyway, let me go put it on and try it out and see you in a little bit. Hi everyone, let me adjust something real quickly. That is the elephant in the room. This laptop stand is not cheap. At the time of purchase, it cost me 1 penny shy for $100. So yeah, after I got it, when my wife looked at it, I mean, she likes the Razer stuff, but even she goes like, for $100, this thing doesn't even have a fan. Yeah, so it's probably the most expensive laptop stand I know, but then there's Razer stuff. So Razer always come out with good quality stuff. So you can be sure when you get this, you will love the design of it. So yeah, when I open it up, I mean, the design is really, really nice. It's all aluminum. It weighs about 1.16 pounds. So it's pretty weighty. And the material they use on top of the aluminum, the rubbery stuff, once you put your laptop on top, it's not going to slide at all, even though the stand is smaller than my laptop. And also it provides with 3 USB 3.0 ports in the back. So you have to plug in the stand into your existing USB 3.0 in order for the back of the USB work at the 3.0 level. So just keep that in mind. And also this stand is pretty elevated compared to any other laptop stand I have seen. And because of that, it doesn't need a fan. The airflow itself should be sufficient enough to cool the laptop. And it's very ergonomic. I actually able to get rid of some of the stuff on my desk. Let me just show you a little bit. So yeah, this laptop stand is not for everyone because of the price. If you'll be able to afford it, then I think you should give it a try. And also if you're using the Razer products already, it goes really, really well with your existing Razer products. So one thing I want to quickly mention is that when you see my laptop, don't freak out. It look kind of dirty, but it's just the decal I put on top. The decal is dirty. The decal, I can't really wipe it down all that much. So yeah, just FYI. Okay everyone, so this my current setup. It's not ideal. I'm actually working off on a dining table, but my wife is taking the office, so yeah, this is where I can actually do my work, doing editing and answering your comments and so on and so forth. So this is what I have right now, the laptop, and I have a uh, laptop stand with a fan in there because this laptop is only had 3 USB port. So if I want more, I have to attach external ones, like the one I have right here. Yeah, this one attached to the fan. Oh, here's the cable attached to the laptop, and this one goes for the fan, and then I get 3 more ports of USB. It sort of works, but there's not much of cable management. So yeah, this is my current setup. And now let me switch to the Razer stand. So now this is my setup with the Razer stand. This is actually pretty cool. Even though this stand is quite small, but it fits a laptop that's anywhere from 15-inch and down. So as you can see, there are a bunch of gaps here, but overall, the laptop on there is very sturdy. It's not gonna tilt either way. Because the stand is higher up, I no longer need this width cushion for the keyboard. So it's actually make things a little bit more ergonomic. Now, as far as for the ports, I freed up 2 ports here on my laptop. So I'm only using one to connect with the stand. Not only does it has the LED effects, but also it allows me to use the 3 USB port on the back of the stand itself. So yeah, overall, this is pretty cool. And because of my Razer laptop has LED, the Chroma effect, I can sync with the laptop stand to have it all synchronized. Right now it's on a wave. You can change it to a bunch of different settings, so it has multiple different effects. This not only works for Razer laptops, but you can set it up with the laptop of your choice as long as it's not over 15.6 inch in terms of diameter for your laptop. Now, one of the things you want to keep in mind is if you want to control the LED lighting setting, you do need to have Razer Synapse program. Now, how you going to get that program is very simple. All you have to do is just plug in the USB. Your laptop should automatically detect and then ask you to whether or not you want to download it. Now it's really up to you. If you don't want to download the app, when you plug it in, the default is the wave. You will still get some LED effects even though you don't use the program itself. So yeah, just keep that in mind. But overall, I really like it. It does elevate the laptop so it gets better airflow into the laptop itself. Now, if you ever have Razer laptop, their fans is always pushing the air downward instead of toward the back. So the more elevated it is, the more airflow it will get to cool down the laptop itself. Well, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.